Hi, I'm Dr. X Snow with Snow Holistic Health, and today we're asking the question, should you be on an herbal antioxidant? But before we answer that question, we have to understand what a free radical is. And a free radical is this particle that basically causes lots of damage in the body because it's unstable. And so it even causes damage at the cellular level. It damages tissues and organs. And we get into excessive free radical load when we don't have the proper nutritional support. But what really causes is the high levels of free radicals is prolonged periods of stress. And so that could be bad eating, that could be social stressors, that can even be infections will cause this to rise up. And when we work out, or if we're an athlete or we're lifting weights, we release a lot of free radicals as we break that muscle tissue down. And so it's very important to get on a high quality herbal antioxidant so that we can quench the free radicals, stop that damage. And the benefits we see is when you take an herbal antioxidant before you work out or from some type of athletic event, you will recover faster and you will have less inflammation and less soreness as well. We need these herbal antioxidants as well to help boost the immune system. And a very important role they play is in protecting our brain. And so when we have a high level of these free radicals, we tend to have more neuroinflammation, which will eventually lead us into things that none of us want, which is foggy brain, dementia, and some of the worst forms of it like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. And the research is showing that getting on these herbal antioxidants can really help minimize the risk of us developing these nasty disorders. And if you're interested in the herbal antioxidant that I use clinically with my patient, it's called Vitanox. We'll have a link in the bio that you can check that out. But this particular product has turmeric, which is a phenomenal herbal antioxidant. We have grapeseed in here as well, rosemary and green tea. And this has also become a really great product too when we're helping people reverse weight loss resistance. And the hidden secret to reversing that stubborn weight issue is to squash the inflammation by having something that will actually bind up these free radicals. And if you're looking to get to the root cause of your health problems, you don't have a health plan, you just want to build your health and fix the different symptoms that you're dealing with, give our office a call at 337-478-1313. I'm Dr. X Snow, helping you transform your health naturally.